This book is Words with Bird, a first tab lift the flap book. Here are the tabs. Bird looks for new words. In the sky is quite fun. What words do you see? Here's bird, wings, butterfly, balloon, cloud, rain, kite. Can you find the sun? There's the sun. Bird looks for new words at the park where things dazzle. What words do you see? Swing, merry-go-round, seesaw, slide, sandbox, sandbox, hill. Can you find a castle? There's the castle. Bird looks for new words in the garden on her own. What words do you see? Tree, apple, fence, dog, grass, snail, bee, flowers. Can you find a bone? There's a bone. Bird looks for new words. In the school, take a look. What words do you see? Chair, the yellow bag, crayons, pictures, paint, brush, clock, numbers, desk, paper. Can you find a book? There's the book. Bird looks for new words. In the kitchen on a seat, what words do you see? Milk, plate, table, glass, cupboard, sink, faucet, stove, oven, drawer, teapot. Can you find a treat? Cake. Bird looks for new words. It's time for a bed soon. What words do you see? Pillow, book, bed, lamp, plane, toy box, window, train, curtains. Can you find the moon? There it is.